Hi everyone, I'm Christine Tran. As I am currently pursuing my business major, I have always been eager to continue my studies in business by initially following my academic pathway that mainly focuses on forming high-quality relationships with other individuals in the business field by using my passion in business to master my communication skills and professionalism. Based on this, how many of you all have already experienced or developed a great understanding on the strategies of communicating with other people through messaging in a workplace? Or are you curious to refresh your minds on the important aspects of using both verbal and nonverbal communication in hopes of creating a positive or healthy environment in any type of workplace in the near future? Today, I will be teaching and reminding you about the topic of creating effective business emails, which was previously covered during the semester for this business communications course. The purpose of my Capstone project is to mainly strengthen your knowledge and enhance my own abilities on using the appropriate methods of emailing in terms of business. So, according to the study plan 2 of writing in business, which focuses on word choice and tone and a 3-part writing process from chapter 8, in Peter Cardin's textbook called Business Communication, Developing Leaders for a Networked World, the 5th edition, the process of writing, checking, and understanding business emails on a daily or regular basis will likely stick with you throughout your entire time working in your future business career. If you are planning to work towards building a good impression towards your future colleagues, clients, or peers, such as by maintaining a professional image, workplace civility, or a positive attitude, you would have to first consider the specific messaging policies and rules for your chosen career, and learn to improve your productivity to become more motivated and encouraged to easily interact with diverse people who would possibly have different writing styles than you. Based on Drexel University's article, 12 Tips for Writing Effective Emails, along with having strong communication skills in the business world, the main principles of effective emails typically include reducing distractions, verifying the ease of reading, using, sending, and responding to emails at the appropriate times during the day, such as during work hours to respect the time of others, protecting confidential and private information from unrelated people, correctly handling your own emotions that could arise from certain emails or personal conflicts, as well as maintaining formality and professionalism with a professional tone at all times when emailing. Reflecting on these principles in the textbook, you should always think thoroughly about making the right choices before emailing, such as by using emails for short and quick announcements or replies rather than emails that heavily rely on initiating intense emotions from others or delivering sensitive content, which I would recommend doing in person or for face-to-face communication. From this, it would be best for you to always avoid using emails for sending any kind of criticism or negativity through messages that could affect other recipients on different emotional levels. Also, please proofread your emails and take a note of how receiving your email responses might often take some time due to how the process of emailing can involve other writers carefully reading your sent emails or spending time at their own pace to effectively organize and compose their responses to your own emails. Lastly, referring to Grammarly's article, How to Write a Professional Email with Tips and Examples, it is critical for every email to include a concise but detailed subject line, a greeting at the beginning of the email, a short and complete message with a closing and expected actions that are clearly shown in the message, a descriptive signature block, and possible attachments to the article, to the email that are easy to access. Since email communication can sometimes be overwhelming for people or be used for inappropriate circumstances, I would suggest making emails that are not confusing or repetitive to others, but are relevant with a direct purpose, professional by having correct grammar, and are convenient to read within a short duration of time, while clearly identifying yourself or other names in your emails. Since emails can also influence various emotions, such as the neutrality or negativity effect, you should focus on writing about certain facts, objectives, or agreements that are mainly related to your own tasks or responsibilities, and also demonstrating your interest in setting appointments with your recipients while emailing them. You can always choose a richer communication channel, such as instant messaging, other than email, depending on your current situations. Overall, it is important to follow all of these factors and advice, as they would maintain positivity in a work environment and allow recipients or other business professionals to quickly respond to your emails immediately or within 1 to 4 hours without experiencing any confusion or unpleasant feelings towards your emails. So, I have just covered the main principles, strategies, advantages, disadvantages, and the formatting techniques of composing effective emails. The purpose of my teachback is to hopefully improve or ease your understanding of emailing professionally. I hope that you can all feel encouraged and motivated to dedicate your time practicing any of these email methods that I have mentioned for future purposes, and also become more aware of applying positive work habits, personality, and behaviors to the different fields of business or any other field of study. Thank you.